If you want a way to buy on 168 and Taobao without dealing with any of the payment processing, passport, Chinese bank account, Alipay, WeChat Pay, well, you have this website called Borderless Commerce that lets you go directly to the source without having to worry about any of those things. Not only do we have a website, but we also have apps if you prefer doing this on your phone 100%. So let's get into step-by-step on how to buy directly on 168 Taobao or Pinduoduo without even entering China to do so. So this is a basic overview of the website. The first thing you need to do is create an account. You can go to the pricing tab right here, and in the pricing tab you'll see different plans. And yes, we have a free one, and we don't keep any of your credit card information if you're signing up for the free one, obviously. There are different rates based on what service fees you want, and that's the first step. Once you create the account, then you can go ahead to the main page and give you an overview of what this does. Pretty much it lets you directly put links from 168 Taobao and Pinduoduo in the search bar, and you get that product all in English, and you can go ahead and make the purchase in US dollars using MasterCard or Visa without needing Alipay limitations, tour card, etc. We also have other features where you can upload pictures of a product you may like. So if you want to find a product that you found, you can do reverse image search and you can do keyword search, and I'll show you a little bit about each one. Let's start out saying I already have a 1688 product. Let's say I want to buy these dolls, but I don't have an Alipay, I don't have a Chinese bank account, but I still want to buy them. So you can copy the link of the product, and note you can also do this on your cell phone. And if you enable my website to allow to read what's on your clipboard, it will automatically produce the link that you copied here. You can go to product detail, or you can just simply paste the link on this search bar and then click on search. Both work. So here you can see the product details, and you can see different colors and products just like it is on 1688. But hold and behold, it's all in dollars. Ta-da! You can make the purchase there. You can even select which model you want. Boom, boom, right? And then some cool features that I also want to get you to note is that if you want some advertising, like let's say you're drop shipping or something, you're putting this in your front end store, you want some marketing materials, you can save the photos. And if the photos are in Chinese, like they have Chinese text, you can simply click over the photo and go to the translate to English, and it will change that text to English so that you can use that for Photoshop or whatever. So when you selected which products you want, you can just simply add it to the cart. Boom, it's added to the cart, and you're almost good to go. So that's one way you can search for products, right? And if you go to the home page, let's say I'm on Taobao and I want to find a product. I found this product here, this fan. Again, you just simply copy the link, go back to the website, and you can either wait for the pop-up to show up of the copied link, or you can simply go to the search bar, paste the link, and click search. And here, just like before, you can see the details of the products. And you can scroll down and see more details of the products and put them in your cart based on the amount and quantity. Now, what's good about this is that unlike, on Pinduoduo or on Taobao, you can buy in bulk. I can buy them all at a time in bulk if I want to. That's how I have the website set up. Whereas sometimes you can only add one at a time. You can't add multiple. In this one, you can add all at once. So that's if you want to search something with a product link, but let's say you don't have a product link, you just want to find a supplier. So let's say like I found this Pikachu pendant. What you can do is save a photo, and I can select which platform I want to search for this. And I'm just going to pick Taobao. Click on the camera icon here, go to that photo. So I named it Pikachu, right? And then click the search, and it will use that photo to reference all the suppliers in the system to give you some similar results. In this case, I selected Taobao, but you can select 168 or Pinduoduo, depending what platform you want to use. It's another way to search for a product that you have in mind. And look, it's pretty similar. Maybe not the exact same, but you get the idea. Attractive pricing, and you can select and snoop around on which one you want. So that's for reverse image search. And let's say you just want to find like a new Xiaomi phone. You can also do keyword search in English. I don't recommend this if you're looking for an exact supplier because it does translate text to Chinese, but it is another option to look for products if you want to do so. There you go. See, it seems like some of these may be the phone and some of these may be the casing. That's why I recommend either doing the photo search or just do the direct link search. I don't recommend so much the keywords, especially because this platform is meant to be used in Chinese, but you can filter the pricing, the category, the brand, etc. So now let's say you're ready to make the purchase. So you just go to view cart, and if you guys remember in the beginning that I actually found some products that I want to buy, here are the products with their specifications. You can actually delete any items, like if you select this one or this one, you can remove items, you can update the carts. If you, for example, you change your mind, you want to buy something else, you can apply a coupon code here, but I recommend if you do have a coupon code, you apply it at checkout, and I'll explain why. If you're finding value so far and you like hearing sourcing tips from China for your business to better your profits, consider subscribing and liking this video. Let's continue with the tutorial. Here I am at the checkout page, and there's a couple things I want to note. Is that on the right side, you can select your payment method. So you can select to pay either with direct bank transfer or with a debit or credit card. And no, I'm not going to ask for your passports or your Alipay account. You won't need any of that like you will when you're trying to buy this directly on Taobao or 1688. So here are the products, and then here are the shipping charges from the factory to the shipping agent. I can ship your products directly overseas, or can actually ship the product straight to your Chinese freight forwarder, and then you just simply agree to the terms and conditions and place the order, and you're done. Now let's say you have placed an order and you want to know the status of your order. You will always get email updates. You can also contact us via email, WhatsApp, WeChat. They're all methods to contact us. But if you want to know specifically what's up with your order, you can go to your orders here under your account settings, and then you can see all the orders that you have made and the status. So let's say I want to view this order. You will have notes about the order and the status of everything that's going on. You can print the invoice if you need this for maybe exportation, or you need this to clear imports to your country. You can select printing your invoice there, and you can also do this from the orders section here. For print your invoice, if you actually made the payment, it can be done there automatically. And again, just a reminder, you can either use the website, which is user-friendly, or you can download the apps on Android and iOS. So now you're ready to source products from China without ever coming here, without needing Alipay or passport, using borderless commerce, whether it's directly on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo. I can do custom orders from like Xianyu or other Chinese platforms. Just hit the contact us, and you can also let us know what products you want us to buy for you. So as I like to mention, our goal is to make sourcing easy for you so that you have a seamless experience when it comes to sourcing directly from the source in China. If you want to know in more detail about how to use 1688 or other platforms, consider watching this video right here.